Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the headlight bulb on my 2010 Honda Pilot. Alright, so this is the side that's out, it's the driver's side. You need to get behind here and get the bulb out, but you got this piece of plastic in the way, so let's take that off. And the way that comes off, you just pop these clips out. It's pretty easy to do. Okay. These things off. And just move this out of the way. Okay, like that. Now you have access to the back of this. Put your hand in there and get the bulb out. Okay guys, you're gonna get your hand behind here. You're gonna grab this and turn it counterclockwise and just pull it out. Okay, now this is the bulb, and what you want to do is disconnect it from this clip. Okay, so the way you do this is you press on this part, lifting up this thing, and then pull it out. Okay, like I said, just press on this and this pops up. Okay. All right guys, I bought the bulbs. I bought two of them. They say to replace them both at the same time, and the reason for that is you don't want like an uneven beam, and also these bulbs are made to only last a certain amount of time, so chances are, you know, you're gonna replace it, then the other one's gonna go bad anyway, so we might as well replace them both. Okay, so let's do that. Okay guys, got your new bulb, and make sure you wear gloves when you do this, because you don't want to touch your new bulb with your bare skin, because the oil on your fingers messes up the halogen bulbs. Okay, so now just grab your plug this back in, and you're ready to put it back where it came from. Okay, just insert that in there, and then you turn it clockwise until you feel it end right there. Okay, now you want to put this back on. Put your clips back in here. That's it, you're done. Okay guys, we got lights. So I didn't change this one yet, but this one is a lot simpler. Okay, you don't have all this plastic stuff in the way. You just reach behind there and change it. Okay, and I don't know if you can see on this video, but this side is brighter than the other side. Okay, I'm gonna wait till nighttime to show you, and you can see the difference. That's why they recommend that you do both. Okay, you can see the difference now at night. The left side is the new bulb, and look how much brighter it is than the one on the right. Okay, the one on the right is the old bulb. You can see it's yellowish, not as bright, and it's gonna need to be changed eventually. So do yourself a favor and do them both at the same time. Okay, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.